Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 2. I will declare to thee in full this knowledge combined with realization, which being known, nothing more here remains to be known.
Chapter 7, Shloka 2. Jnanam deham savijnanam idam vakshyami aseshatah yajñātva neha bhūyonyat jñātavyam avasishyate.
Chapter 7, Shloka 2. Now, the logic of the inner development is described, by which we can also, thus acting without doubt, know the self in full, possessed of infinite greatness, strength, grace, and other apparent attributes. Jnana means the knowledge through the intellect, and Vijnana means actual experience of the perfection. Lord says that He is not only going to give the theory about the art of divine life, but if listened carefully, it can take one to the highest peak of self-discovery during the discourse itself. If the mind is integrated and he carefully follows the logic and significance of the explanations, he can get glimpses of the realization during the course of the study. Self-realization is instantaneous during the study and understanding of the scriptures, gained through the discussions, provided the seeker has an intense thirst to experience the reality. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.